Freeze! If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and keep your bell notifications on. Sorry. So, welcome to the channel. This is a passion for detailing, and this is the new Karcher Stubby Gun that I got from Into Detailing. They don't just do stubby guns, they do fantastic detailing products at amazing prices. I'll leave their website in the description below, but they do some fantastic products, so look them up. So first of all, before we go any further, the red nozzle that you get with the gun, take it, throw it straight in the bin. It's a jet of water and it's not going to do your car any good, so do make sure you throw it straight in the bin. So the gun itself is made from good quality plastic. It has a great rubbery handle, so very easy to hold, and the trigger is actually very soft, so very nice in the hands. You can see that there, very nice to use. You do get a quick release on the top of the gun, and also a quick release at the bottom of the gun also. You also get a spinning bottom end, so your hose doesn't kink. And that was an absolute game changer for me, because when you're cleaning your car at home and you're dragging the hose around the car, it can get curled up and it can get caught. And for me, it was a massive game changer. So it did really help. The gun itself did come as a kit. So I got the gun, and I actually also got the Into Detailing hose. Reason being is my hose on my cartridge split. It was about 10 years old, so I'm surprised it lasted that long anyway. And the gun and the hose was about £70–75. So amazing value for money. Bearing in mind that a new hose from Karcher is somewhere between £80 and £100. So for me, it was a bargain. You do get the quick release hose that I wanted. So nice and easy. You can take it on and off effortlessly. In the kit, you get, I'll grab these for you. You do get a quick release for your snow foam lance. I'll come to that in a moment. And then you get a little bag with two other heads. The black one is for pouring chemical through, and the yellow one is a 15-degree head, so not really my cup of tea. But the two heads that I always use, and I have now for quite a while, are the 40-degree head and the 25-degree head. All very easy to use. You simply just slide the collar back. Hopefully you can see that there. So this collar here moves, and then all you do is you pop that in the end and just make sure it clips, and make sure that this collar goes back up, and then that is completely in then. If you don't do that, what will happen is you'll fire it, and this end is going to fire against your car, leave a dent or scratch that you're going to be really disappointed. And if that's on a client's car, you're going to be very upset and have potentially a big bill. This is a lovely head for rinsing your car off, as you can see here. A nice wide fan with not too much pressure, and that is really going to aid your rinsing process. So if you spray a drying aid over the car, rinsing any soap off the vehicle, great for rinsing your wheels off. And then the second one is the 15-degree head, and this one here is a lot shallower fan, a bit stronger, so getting in them wheel arches if they're really dirty, or if you're cleaning an off-road car and if the car's really grubby and you need a little bit more pressure, this is going to be perfect for those scenarios. And you can see, nice narrow fan, very simple. The next bit that you get is, obviously, make sure you modify it. This is just a cheap Chinese special. This, I think, has come from cleanyourcar.com. They made this one for me. Actually, I have a couple of them. You can see the old style to the new style. You can see that it's less bulky for starters, and obviously that was my old Karcher fitting on the end. Again, in a matter of seconds, you can literally go from putting it on to putting it off. A little bit easier to, there you go. Very simple. Nice, easy, it's lightweight, so you know you're not dragging a massive heavy gun around with you. I'm actually going to show you my old gun now. So this was the old gun, and as you can see, it's very long, it's very big, and for me to put my snow foam lance on this gun was an absolute palaver. So not only did I have to twist this off, and then pull it to get it off, I then had to try and twist this onto the here. So not the easiest of processes, just to get my snow foam lance on, and there's chemical going to be going everywhere, and it's still really big and really chunky, and it's really heavy. You can see there my wrist is really struggling. I had to hold it with 2 hands at all times, and it was just a real palaver to use. So you can see the difference. That's completely nice and lightweight. Obviously once that's full of chemical it'll be a little bit heavier, but you know, so much easier to use, and you know, so direct. And you've got a quick release here, anti-kink for your hose. This has got to be the biggest game changer for me in detailing in a long time, and it really helps with the kink of the hose and also the ease of application. You know, on and off straight away, off with the snow foam lance, on with your nozzle, and your job done. And the best thing about it is you can get into those harder to reach areas that I couldn't have done with the long lance, because one, it's too long, so you know, doing arches, trying to get that gun pointing right up at say that angle was next to impossible on a sports car. On a 4x4 potentially, but you know, with this now I can literally just turn it upside down and get right into their arches and get all that dirt and all that crud out. So for me, a massive game changer, nice and easy to hold. I'm going to leave the video there, guys. Thank you for watching, but if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and keep the bell notifications on so you don't miss any tips, tricks or future videos. And if you love detailing and you want to see my blow RS video, click up here, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.